What a gormless bugger I am. We just come into Bilderston at the bottom of the hill there, and Paul slowly stopped at the junction, and I thought, well, that's clear, not realising he was doing a one-man drop-off, which I've just done on the right turn. What a gormless bastard I am. Any old way or fear or who. We're on the way to Sudbury, to the CodFather. It must be coming on for 12 o'clock, but I done the right thing and had me big breakfast this morning, but I did get up early and do it. So we should have some space for a mega cod and chips when we get there. We're obviously going to sit inside. It's far too cold to sit outside today, isn't it? Lads and lasses, 37 miles, 40 miles an hour, 30, don't look. I'll criminate myself. Anyway, we're out into the lovely little villages again, aren't we? Because I'm following Paul on his fat, boy, slim Harley Davidson. That's kicking up all the shit. And I'm having to wipe my visor as if that's raining. Look at that. That is your typical... Oh, Suffolk Andy would love that view down there. He loves a good Suffolk view, a good picturesque view, and a church in the background. There, look. Lovely. Here we go. Thank you. We're doing better this time. We're nearly on the speed limit. Thatched cottages are very common around here. Christmas tree, swings. We have it all in Suffolk, I tell you. You ought to, in the summer, pack your bags and come and have a look. Perhaps you can use my videos as a reference. And the medieval villages and towns of Suffolk, the Iron Age. These are poplar trees, these are wrecked trees in front of us. What a good run. Poor old... Feel sorry for Paul losing his wallet. That's a shit thing to do, isn't it? He reckon he did stop for gas, fuel, petrol on the way to Dobbies. Oh, wonderful. Keep it up, lad. You'll soon be able to afford a motorcycle. And here we are in here. Oh, hey! We're here, wherever this is. I don't know, one of them quiet little villages, isn't it? Electric car, driver. Oh, Clare, isn't it? Are we in Clare? I don't know. Ask Clare. Lovely. We stopped up here once on the green, do you remember? I took that lovely photo, or I done a short, didn't I? I think that's up here. No, we're in Monks Ely. There you go. Monks Ely. That's where we are. This is Saturday the 27th, if you wanted to know, and we're going to the CodFather at Sudbury. Just keeping you informed. I've got my heated gloves on, heated grips. For Christ's sake, David, why do you keep saying gloves? Grips. I've got my heated grips on 75%, and that's making me very, 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 very toasty. Turning left, Murray's on his AJS. No, in PSA. Can I get anything right? I put on that little post what nobody reads on Facebook that Sean was on his supercharged Suzuki, not Kawasaki, but I changed that. Did anybody notice I changed it? Oh, wonderful. Come to Suffolk. See, there's a lot of riders park their bikes up during the winter. As long as you're wrapped up and you're warm, the roads are shit. The roads can be shit in the summer. Do you know what I mean? You just got to be a bit careful. That defines you as a rider. What's the good in just riding on lovely, warm, dry roads? What's the fun in that? Other than getting your knee down. This is what it's all about. This is proper motorcycling. Look, all the cruiser boys are out with their Harleys. They're not all garaged up and covered up, are they? Until the end of March. You got to get with the program. You got to get that bike out this week. Get it out of the garage. Put plenty of layers on and grow some balls. There you go. Triple Dave advice for winter riding. Grow some balls and get some Oxford heated grips. You probably got them, don't even use them, because you're always riding in the summers, in the summer heat, the Suffolk summer heat. Anyhow, that was a nice little talky bit, wasn't it? Welcome to Sudbury. The home of Subway. God, you can smell fish and chips now. No doubt there's six or seven me lights are flashing again. Oh yeah. Hello boy. There we go. Got to get them fixed. I've got my Thunderbox arriving. Probably, no, the postman's been today. Monday. Do you reckon? The Horse and Groom of Sudbury. We're probably, this will end up being Hadley. No, this is Sudbury, isn't it? Isn't it? Is it? Is this Sudbury? Or is this somewhere else? This is probably, not a, yeah, Sudbury convenience store, look. Hello. Turning left. Oh, we can lift that up now, can't we? But in fast lane, we're heading for Chelmsford. Whoop, wind this car, mind this car. I know what they're going to do. Look, he want to come this way. Oh, hello. Usually we head up there, don't we, when we go to TTTTT, but we're heading this way. Perhaps we've been told we can have the staff car park at the fish and chip shop. The chip shop. I don't think I've ever been down here before, but Roy's! There's a Roy's of Wroxham in Sudbury. Oh, excellent. Oh, brilliant. Welcome to Suffolk. Welcome to Suffolk. They probably live here, don't they? Oh, hello. One way. Oh, I'm not doing the junctions, am I? Now, where do we go? I can smell fish and chips. Ah, We're going up the back. Oh, this is wonderful, isn't it? I'll go in here, look. So there you go. The Suffolk cruisers. Look at this bike, I'm going to show you. That's nice, isn't it? There was somebody forgot to do the one-man thing all the way through there, weren't there? That'd be me.
Who have we lost?
Are we? Where's Simon?
Exactly, and Paul and Barry and...
Oh, they're still to come, I reckon. They're probably lost in Sudbury, around over there somewhere.
They ain't been behind us for some time. No.
Oh, ain't they?
And now,
my brother always says you never show where you've been.
put your helmet down, Dave.
The Suffolk cruisers full of cod and chips. That was great. Simon got a puncher. But we're going to now go to Halfords and get him some more slime. He's put one load in there. Oh, that's getting to the witching hour, isn't it? I don't know, no idea what the time is. I know it's after 1 now, which it would be. We had, I had a cup of tea, large cod and chips, mushy peas, and, oh, we're flashing. And, a coffee to finish with. £25. Boy, is that car so close to me. Thank you. See you, Graham. Sudbury at Christmas. Here we are in downtown Baghdad. We're back at Ipswich, lads and lasses. Simon's tyre is holding up. Get home! Bloody kids on the streets this time in the afternoon. Wouldn't have happened in my day, boy. Your mother would have come out and said, David! David! Get the hell back in here! Alright. What a great day again out on the bike. Well, I don't know when we'll see what next weekend bring actually. So from Triple Dive, this has been a Cod and Chips production, and this has been Christmas 2025. Huh? Can you believe it? We made it another Christmas. Come on in. Thank you. We'll see you soon, you lovely people.